many times have you shoved a wire into a connector just like this and got strands everywhere? Strands are the number one reason why your wiring will kill your device. So let's do it nice and properly. Take your wire, put it into a set of fine wire strippers and gently squeeze and twist just like you can see here. And when you twist the end of the casing, you get a nice, clean, twisted finish, which means you get 0 splines. You can then slide it into one of our lovely little ferrules here, and then slide the ferrule into our crimper, and hey presto, once that's done you get a nice, secure, tight fit with insulated joining and no splines when you put it inside your connector, which means you are not going to damage anything with a stray wire causing a naughty little short circuit. It really is the ideal way to get wires into a screw terminal without any mess, and of course, as you can see, you can stack them next to each other so they don't rub or indeed cause any more short circuits outside with unexposed wire. The crimping set includes a multitude of different ferrule sizes, so you can always find the perfect size for your wires, all the way down to tiny decoder wire up to big bus wiring. The crimper itself has a nice easy squeeze action release, and all you need to do to lock it again is squeeze about halfway, and that will lock the crimper in place for easy and convenient storage. So say goodbye to errant wires causing short circuits and destroying your electronics. One of our DCC Concepts ferrule sets can be had from one of our many retailers or from dccconcepts.com.